morning. Now Mario gonna get a lesson he never forget. I need to be careful here. Mario, I can't still believe you. You still sleep. I can't believe that. You're really weird. Now I have to roll you and push you and yes. All the things. I have to push on some place. Nice. No. What's next? I don't know. Who cares? The push. So, are you sleeping? Okay, I think he's sleeping. That's good. Yes, I have to wake him up now. On three. On 1, 2, 3. Mario! Yes, what is it? What have you done, Luigi? I trapped you, cause you bad and stupid. And you always say I'm stupid and bad. And now I'm gonna start crying. No, please don't do that. It's okay now, Mario. It's not okay, Luigi. You have to stop with that. That's so stupid. Did you say stupid? No, I didn't. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to kill you, Mario. Luigi, of course you're not going to kill me. I can prove it. Yes, prove it. Mario, say goodbye. Goodbye. What did you do? I tried to kill you, but now I see there is water down there. So that wasn't good. You maybe die if I jump on you. Luigi, stop! Okay. Mario, what do you hate? Mario? Are you alive? Of course I'm alive. But I don't want to speak to you. But you have to. If you speak to me, I can pick you up later. Okay, I'll do that. What do you want? I need to know what do you hate? The big button and you. Ah, that's good. That's me. Okay, now I have to push that button. Oh, look. So nice. Look at my nose. And my hat. And my ear. And my hair. And my cap. And my pants. And my shoes. I think that was all. Now I'm going to push the button. Goodbye, everyone. I hope you liked that I killed Mario. I really hope that. Goodbye.